Hey guys, welcome back. I want to show you guys a rainwater catchment system that we did a bunch of upgrades on. But I wrapped that in black plastic. We put them upside down. That ball valve right there is open right now. That way when you wrap it, you can cut it out and it'll be a lot easier to do. You set it on the top, upside down, and you wrap it this corner up there. Just like wrapping a big present. We started off this side, like right here. I wrap it this way. And I wrap the corners up. This is our ball valve right here. We usually use Gorilla Tape, but we got this T-Rex. Let me see if you guys can see that T-Rex brute force crap. It's hard to cut through, but for stickiness, Gorilla is still better, I believe. The way we fold it is when we tip it back over, all the creases are going to be draining down instead of into the plastic, because we don't want the water to get into the plastic between the plastic tote. We also did that water connection right there for our hose, but I just wanted to show you guys our little rainwater catchment. For every 1 inch of rain that we get just on this side of the roof, we get 75 gallons. Thanks for watching, guys.